If you want to remove the cart icon from your GoDaddy website, this quick tutorial will walk you through the exact steps in a simple and easy way. Whether you are cleaning up your site, removing a shop page, or just want a more streamlined look, this method can help you do it fast without getting lost in the dashboard. If this video helps you, please hit like and subscribe for more easy website tutorials like this. Let's get into it. First, go to GoDaddy.com and sign into your account. Make sure you're logged into the correct account that owns the website you want to edit. Once you're inside your GoDaddy dashboard, look for the My Products section. This is where all of your website and hosting tools are organized, so it's the best place to start when making changes to your site. Next, under Websites plus Marketing, click Manage. This will open the control panel for the website you want to update. From here, you'll be able to edit the pages, settings, and the design of your site. After that, click Edit Website. This takes you into the website editor, where you can make changes directly to the pages on your site. Now, you need to find the shop page. Look for the setting icon next to the shop page. This icon usually gives you options for managing that page, including editing, hiding, or deleting it. Click that settings icon and then choose Delete Page. If your goal is to remove the cart icon, deleting the shop page is often the key step because the cart is tied to the store functionality on your GoDaddy website. Once you delete the page, don't forget the final step. Publish your changes. This is important because changes won't appear on your live website until you publish them. After publishing, your site should update and the cart icon should no longer show if it was connected to that shop page. If you still see the cart icon after publishing, double check whether any store-related sections or pages are still active in your website menu. Sometimes the icon remains until the shop feature is fully removed or hidden in the site settings. In that case, go back through the editor and make sure the shop page is deleted and the update is published again. And that's it. You've now learned how to remove the cart icon from your GoDaddy website in just a few steps. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful GoDaddy and website editing tutorials, and comment below if you want a video on any other GoDaddy feature. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.